God. Demonetize. There's another. What is it doing?
It's exercising. It's jazzercising.
It's
It's fine. I can get it from here.
yoga.
Yeah, and on heart attack. What do you do?
Huh.
What do you
It
own?
2 shots when you
I mean, I hit it in the
do
head.
the. And I hit it with the head with mine too.
I missed.
Ouch. Ouch.
There's one behind you. There is.
No.
Alright, this one. 3, 2, 1. Are you putting on armor today?
Putting some every time. Let's harvest this one, and then let me put
3,
some
2,
more
1.
on.
I put as much on as I can so I have room.
Okay, next.
3, 2, 1. I don't know if people like longer videos.
Not
I
sure.
mean, yeah, I get people's attention span, especially with how busy people are. It's kind of short. And that's why people tend to trim down the videos. But I also like showing all the stuff that we do instead of only being like, okay, we're gonna build a house. All right, our house is done.
I remember. Ouch. I remember I used to want way longer. Sorry. Want way longer videos.
You fucking chopped him in the dick. What the fuck?
Maybe.
3, 2, 1.
I always hated 10 to 15 minute videos back in the day, but when it sort of moved on to 30 to 45, perfect. But now I'm seeing some forms of videos stretch into the hour and a half, 2 hour span, and I hate it.
Don't tell me this is where we have to put the fragments, because I'm gonna be upsetty spaghetti. So we don't have them. I think this is probably where we're gonna have to put them.
No, I think we're stuck down here, so there's either...
No, it's another piece, actually.
Nice, that works out.
Oh, yeah. So we got, I'm assuming, probably 2 of 3 or 2 of 4. My gosh.
I'm back.
Hi, back.
Good.
What the hell is it?
I don't know. Where are they? Okay, so
it looks like it could be a... What are they called? An ornate egg thing? Decorative egg?
Maybe. My guess is there's probably 3 pieces of them. Kind of looks that way. Maybe. Unless there's 6 pieces.
Maybe 4.
3 for each side. It's cut in half into 3 pieces.
What's this? Who's this here? Who's this?
No.
What is this?
What is this?
Sleep? Sleep? No.
Oh, there's a recipe thing here. What is this?
That's
What
nice.
is this? Can't actually tell because it's...
Is that a...
It's like a
What the
wreath
hell is
or
this?
a trap?
I think it's a trap. Need a battery, 2 Molotovs, some skulls? What the hell?
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe it's a...
I could not tell you what this is. Actually.
I was gonna say something
Wait,
stupid. It's like, maybe it's a drone or something.
What if it's like a helicopter top? Or like a giant weed whacker? It's just a blade trap from fucking 7 days.
Bruh. That might actually... Well...
It's a flaming blade
the
trap.
Molotovs, though, yeah.
It's a flaming blade trap, dude. Do we get to keep this, like, somewhere?
Yeah, we do. It might just end up in your...
I actually really want to try making that.
Notes, yep. Go into your book, and then... What the hell is this?
Is it in the trap section?
No, notes, bottom right. Oh, you know what? It's a giant. It's a giant snare trap thingy. So in the center, the two leaflets on each side, those are surfaces that come up. They have spikes in the center along the spine. They come up and close and create like
Dude,
a
what the hell?
an encapsulated like cocoon around
That's a
whatever is in the
crazy
center.
ass trap. We gotta
That's
try making
pretty.
that. I mean, we
Yeah.
don't really have any other use for batteries, so
No.
that's crazy.
It seems like overkill.
Dude,
Unless
isn't that
it's
great?
it's probably supposed to be for some of the bigger things that start attacking you.
Hell yeah, put some choke points around our fence. Like the entrances.
Wow. Goddamn.
Same, dude, same. I agree.
Bullets
Everything
around
you
the
just said.
corner.
I like how it gives you just 2. Hello.
Do they have an event where they all combine into a mecha mutant?
That's in the first one.
Mecha
Oh,
mutant.
they don't have it in the second one.
I don't think so. There's 2 guys
I
ahead of us.
think they do. Because remember that? No. Maybe you're right.
No, it's just in the first
Because in
one.
the first one, they had those little slug thingies, and those combined.
Yeah,
but
those
in this
combine
one,
into some weird.
in this one, they have the slinkies, and that's about it.
They still have the babies, which are really annoying. But...
They don't do anything special, though. They just sort of flop around.
Damn! Look at that ass! No, I'm kidding.
Well, that flat, pale nothing.
Oh my god, my character gets so tired so quick.
It's ominous.
Let's just do what every gamer, I guess, does. Is just chug a bunch of energy drinks until they feel
These are
better.
fresh body parts.
Do I feel better yet?
This looks like a normal cannibal area. There's an ass on the ground.
Explosive 3D printed arrow. Now that sounds like fun.
Bunch of babies over here.
Great. I love that.
Silver's killing babies.
No, cut it out. Cut this out.
Stop recording.
Editor, myself, cut this out. I need to find a better editing software because Filmora does not work. I literally wasted like $70 on it for it to just never open properly. I'm kind of iffed about it. I might look at
Eagle
getting
probably
anything.
knows a good one.
Should contact their support try to get a refund.
That's what I'm probably going to end up doing. I've tried all the fixes. Just doesn't...
Don't bother asking the support for help. Just push for a refund.
I don't know what everybody else uses, like some of the top. Not that I'm trying to get like the top end all be all, you know.
Mhm.
Like, hello, Skelly Man. Can you get out of my way? Thank you. Are you dabbing? No, you're not.
I would just ask Eagle because I think he's played around with a couple.
Yeah, sure, if we ever see him again.
Yeah.
Hello. Man, I need to start using some of these ropes on mooses.
What? Huh?
Hurry up, Trevor.
You have a noose?
I do in my closet, actually. Remember from the party. I still have it.
Yeah.
Oh, jank.
Uh-oh.
That janky terrain loaded.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta head back to the lake to get the night. Bonk.
Actually turned out pretty well because we went into that cave and came out this one, which I said would have been our backup cave to go to.
Is there a way up? was that?
Hmm?
Ooh, there's golf carts up here. Oh, you can drive this one. Bruh. Found one of the drivable golf carts. And it's like working, like straight up. You don't have to do anything to it.
Hmm.
Here, why don't you take this? Or actually, can you get in? You can get in, right?
Yeah, I can get in next to you.
Brakes are super, super good on this thing. Fuck off. Fuck off.
If you get going down a slope, it picks up a pretty decent amount of speed, and if you hit one of the cannonballs with it, holy shit. It's like they got hit with a wrecking ball.
Am I going the right way? I can't even know. Can't see.
Yeah.
Can't open the map. Where's that?
Huh? What is
Open
what?
up. Gee. What is this? Just a random deer spiked with
Oh, yeah.
spears? Okay, sure.
There's meat laying next to it.
Free meat.
Do you want me to stay in the golf cart with you? Because I was going to walk up to this other cave that's on the right.
I need to get the shark, the night shark. Man, that's something else for these players.
Pond hawk.
Yeah, the pond hawk. It's pond hooky. I need you to take the golf cart.
Okay.
You got it. Is it just
Definitely
He
don't.
does not have it.
Is it still going?
Oh, that
No, I
tree
got it.
saved you.
Yeah.
Was it going off to Narnia?
Started to.
I think that is the best performing golf cart I've ever seen in my life.
The brakes on that thing are crazy. Immediately stops.
Going up the side of a mountain in snow.
It's just a
Yeah.
Skyrim horse, man.
I was
Yeah.
about to compare it to that.
Da-da-dee-da-dee-da-do-do. Aw, lame. I threw one of the giant rocks into the lake, and I was hoping it would, like, break through the ice. I think that'd be cool.
Actually, that would be cool if you could use that as a ambush tactic. You have a bunch of mutants and cannibals crawling up on your front door, and you crack the ice and drop them into the water.
You know where you're going? Or
Not
you just
exactly.
going? Okay. Wait, you're gonna try to go back down once you're done?
No, there's a cave somewhere nearby that I want to get to.
Well, you're stuck now.
That's what I mean to do. Come on. What did he say?
What did he say?
Jeremy Clarkson. Sometimes my genius is immeasurable. It's gonna be off to the right more.
Oh, you're going for that one?
Yeah.
Here, since I can look at the map, I'll lead the... What?
Seeing this image, me in a golf cart and you ahead of me on a fucking hipster one wheel, just immediately, like, flashed the irony, like, in front of me. Just thinking, people used to do this with a horse and a carriage. like freezing to death, crossing
I'm
the
like stuck.
mountains.
I might actually need your help.
You're wrecked. Golf cart for the win.
Yeah, golf cart's crazy.
I'll be
Yeah.
back in a little while.
All right. Yeah,
Possibly.
So you're gonna go sleep and never come back at it.
Might come back. We'll see.
All right, more to the right. There's another blip on the map trailing green. I don't know what that is.
A green trail?
Yeah. You know how Kelvin's moves, we move. There's a green
That's not
one that
Virginia, is
looks
it?
like a brick. Maybe it is. I don't know. I could have sworn I had her set to something else.
I think it didn't work when you set it to whatever you tried to set it to.
That would not be surprising at all. It's a little more this way. It's straight ahead from where I'm looking.
So I
God
can. You're telling me I
damn.
can gun it down the
Yeah,
hill.
pretty much. Whee! Oh, we passed it. It is here. Hello, are you alive, sir? Oh, what the shit? Whoo! Look, y'all are gonna get it.
Y'all.
Think I don't care? Think I care?
Oh, it's a hang glider right there.
I'm sorry? Damn, this guy is really annoying. Why? I can't run because it's so damn cold, dude. Right into his spine. Can we use that?
Yeah.
Bro, what? There's a lot more things in the game than I remember.
When me and Eagle had a playthrough going, he had a couple of his work friends join, and they'd use that for a little bit.
Does it, like, do you have to have momentum, or is it just like you're flying? That's
I don't know how it works, but they got really far with it.
We're gonna have to take that home or something. Can you pick it up, or is it just like, oh.
Oh, you just duped it. There's a second one here for me now, too.
Take it. So that it's... Oh. I don't know how this thing works. The fuck? You just, like,
bruh.
threw it. Might have to be at a steeper... Yeah, that's my guess.
Oh, there it is. Woo! Yeah, that's kind of fun. Oh, that's a whole lot easier than I thought it would.
Oh, this is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. You can fly straight for, like, forever. I don't know why it drops once you land, though. That's a little annoying. That's cool.
The rain just picked up really heavy outside my house.
I don't know how we're
IRL.
gonna take this home, but...
Jank.
God, we got so many vehicles now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mark this place so we can come back to them. Do you have a... My mistake. No. No! Bro. Come on.
Wait a minute. Were these mountain hikers in... Holy shit. Are they legitimately actually in sleeveless tank tops, shorts, and sneakers? Dude.
These have to be placeholders. Well, you have to remember, aren't we just in the winter season for the island?
We are, but this is, if you look on the map, it's literally the mountaintop.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, I don't know. It's I can't. I don't know.
Bruh.
There's not really any defending that. I need sticks. There's no like stick trees.
This one might be one right here.
No.
No. No, it was. Come here.
What? Okay. Okay. I'm going to mark. I think I have another. Hello. Are you here to be annoying?
Shoot him up his ass.
Sure are.
God damn it.
What?
Right as he jumped. I sent a crossbow bolt into the ether. There we go. Right in
You
the heart.
got me, son!
the
Where did my
mask.
stick go? Yeah, that's
You
exactly what.
got
Where did my stick go? Hello? Oh, there it is. You got me, partner!
me. Bruh.
Okay. Do I have? I do. Okay.
He turns to cough, and then he keeps turning to cough, and eventually just stops turning, so he coughs in the guy's face.
I rewatched The Mask and Son of the Mask like a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
I love those movies.
I need to make some food. Oh,
Okay.
you've already got a thing right here.
Okay. And for you, a French
goddamn it.
poodle.
Now get out of here, son. You bother me. Son of a bitch.
Oh, it's just a little tiny cave, dude. There's like not. Oh wait,
Yeah,
hold
that's
on.
what I half expected.
Whoa, what is this?
I'm bringing
No,
the golf cart
There's
down.
something else. There's a recipe. I don't know what it's for though. What the fuck would this be?
Oops.
I'm not sure what this is. Looks interesting, but I don't know what it is. It almost looks like you can put it on top of the golf cart or something, like armor it. I don't know.
Make the
it's
golf cart your war vehicle.
just a guess. I'm not sure.
Why is this guy covered in spears?
Because screw him. Yeah, I don't know. Bro, is this a ballista? This is a ballista.
The recipe thing?
Yeah,
here?
it's like a trap. It's like a tripwire ballista. It shoots spears. Or it shoots. Yeah,
What
it
are
shoots.
those blocks?
It shoots.
on the bottom right?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I was looking at that too, but
That's C4.
is it C4?
It's a shrapnel bomb.
Dude, it's because I'm like trying to place it. Here, let me see. Here, this is what it looks like. You see it?
Yeah, it's a. What the hell?
Hmm.
It's just a fucking violent shrapnel bomb. I don't know why you would make it that elaborate, but goddamn. Cool.
Keyboard.
Man,
have come back for you.
I'm getting up to some I'm getting up to some shenanigans.
some shitnanigans.
Oh, there we go. That works. I think I just insta-killed a king with the golf cart.
That would be pretty funny.
Hold on.
Kelvin.
Yep. Yeah, I removed both of his legs and insta-killed him. I wasn't even going that fast.
Get your damn dead body out of my way. Jeez. Can a man unicide in peace? Come on. Skyrim horse this shit. If you wiggle, you can go up the mountain faster. That's
Bruh.
hilarious. I can Skyrim horse it. Why? Come on.
Can I steal water from this somehow?
You can't up to a point until it gets too steep.
I This golf cart is just a
Oh!
straight up workhorse. I'm trying to make my way over to this other cave and green blip. We could probably get a third video out of this. And then we could take a break or something, I don't know.
Nah, I'll work you to death.
What?
I said I'll work you to death.
Goddamn.
Excuse me.
Unionized video making.
Hey, you wish.
Come on, there we go.
I'm cold and wet.
What the fuck is this? There's an actual structure here.
Why?
What is that? These coffins? What is this? Looks like an ammo crate.
Oh. Stop.
Am I actually breaking this open? What's happening? Oh, you know what? I think we might have to return to some of these places when winter is over. Because I am aware that there are... Actually, this might be one of them.
Page over.
That there's a couple lakes
You like
where there's
airplanes?
shit... Nah. Not after...
God damn. You go so fast. Now, what are you saying about
Because
it?
I am aware that there's some stuff underwater, just in some of these lakes.
I'm just waiting to see like a little serpent or something, you know, like
Yeah, that's what I've been kind of paranoid going through some of those underwater caves.
I'm guessing I can't get away with this.
Can you jump on top?
Maybe. Oh wait, you can chill out in the back too. That's cool.
I can't tell. I can't look straight back, so...
Alright, I'm on.
Me.
It doesn't. I'll just bring it around, that's fine.
Yeah. There's a little rope bridge over there.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Cool little bridge. It's made out of bones.
Why am I not cold anymore?
I think it might be end of winter season.
That would be great. I'm a little tired of the coldness.
What's this? There's a fallen soldier thing over here with a bunch of shotgun ammo.
Shitgun ammo, you say? Heck, yoinked. Mine now. Batch. Where's did my
Batch.
where'd my oh there it is. Stuck in the tree. Of course the way I need to go is in the exact opposite direction. I'm gonna go put the hang glider hat back home.
Okay.
This is gonna be another.
I am going to embark on a crazy, eventful journey.
Actually, I don't want to do this shit.
Bro.
It's gonna take so long. there's another
Here,
canoe.
navigate us. Pull out your map real quick before you get in, and bring us to either that cave or the
There's no
green blip.
caves anywhere near us. Literally
My
in any
ass.
direction.
There is
Where?
north, northeast,
Oh wait, how do you zoom out?
middle mouse.
That's why. Okay. Yeah, mine was not zoomed out at all. So
Get in, stupid
we just head
dumbass.
this way.
We're
Joey.
going cave diving. I know.
Just follow this way. Point towards this direction. Let's go.
What direction?
One Direction. Your favorite band.
No,
Yeah.
not after they broke up.
Man, we need some like on the road music. We're on the road again.
What was that sound?
I didn't hear anything. Maybe you're
Whatever
hearing
that
things
was,
from
I
breathing
row.
in and out of your tuba tank for so long.
Yeah.
I hear a dumb loser behind us, I think.
Is this dumb loser?
That's just a place that. Oh wait, let's sleep. Oh yeah, there's
Some
the dumb
cloth on the
loser.
ground.
It's right there. Yeah, that's right.
Sleep or
Run.
save?
Should probably do both, honestly.
Okay.
Sleep and then save.
Nope.
What the hell?
Yeah, because there's idiots nearby. There's one right here.
It's fine. I've got a magic wand to make him go away. Ah. Already saved.
Didn't sleep though.
Oh, you can push it? I did sleep.
Mhm.
Oh, we didn't sleep because there were guys near us?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's more dudes hanging around. Let's just get the hell out of here.
Alright, let's try it again.
I know there's another one somewhere.
Yeah, let's leave. Just save and let's go. I'm in the back. I'm gonna watch behind us. Oh. Ow.
Bitch ass.
Ow. You ran him over. His leg's gone.
Bruh. What was that? Is there something here? Oh, it's a deer.
The amount of
Saw
sticks
something orange.
around us.
Bruh. What is this? What the hell did we...
I'm on.
Oh, cannibal camp or something?
There's-
Guarana berries are here. These are
See,
good.
in any smart, like smart play, like a survivor guy would grab that. He would grab this.
Food and fire.
I'm hoping maybe. Oh, I just kick it across the map. That's fine. I was hoping they had a can opener. Just so many cans here. I guess not. What was that sound?
I don't know. There's a person here though. I think that's the most normal looking dude out of all of the cannibals that I've seen. Yeah, you got me.
Alright, get out of that tree. Mm-hmm.
That's what I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, come on, let's go get the golf cart again.
How do you like being watched, asshole? Yeah, fuck off. I can do the whole jumping shit too, look.
Ooh, ooly booly. Oh shit, I got my goldfish right here. Yeah. man.
Sorry, I was teabagging. What?
I gotta go to the cave on the green blip.
Whoa! Oh! God damn!
Hi.
I'm gonna put on more armor now.
Shit, I missed him.
Get his ass, Jiver. Fuck him up. Just
I
fuck
got
him.
him. Did I get him?
He just ragdolls and all of his body parts come off.
Yeah.
It's so dumb. Right. There was a second guy, but whatever. He can mourn his friend.
Try and put them back together.
Maybe he likes puzzles, who knows?
That'll be the next enemy we encounter. Just be all the dismembered cannibals we've fucking mauled.
That would be cool, but it'd also be terrible because there's a lot that we killed. Did we just go in a circle?
Oh shit. No.
That's a fat fucker. There's 2 fat babies there.
Three fat fuckers.
Dead. Dead.
Oh, bro. Did you hear the sound it made for that first one?
No, it made no sense for me.
It went whomp.
Okay, the other one's on your left.
It's
Behind
stuck
you, watch
right
out.
now.
Behind you, behind you.
He's just hanging out.
Ah! Go
Go
kart!
get it. Go kart, no.
Oh, it's stuck. Okay, it's fine. Fat baby man.
I think that's a funnier name than Bruiser.
What, fat baby man?
Yeah. Giant baby men. I wouldn't do that.
Fine.
You'll catch something.
My balls will turn red.
That's how it happens in the first place. Oh shit. You want to do the blip
Oh,
or the
there's a
cave
king.
first?
King.
Here, get in.
I'm in.
Where is he? Let me at him. Let me at him.
Just behind.
Bastard. Where'd he go? There he is. I think we missed him again.
He did.
Did we get him?
I heard a
think
squelching
he's
noise.
hurt.
He's still alive.
Charge!
Bro. I wish you could pick up his weapon.
Jank.
Or his mask. I don't know why you can't take his mask. I think it'd be pretty cool. You make it like a 1 in 10 chance you can get the mask or something. Oh.
Well, I know
then-
there's the gold armor and the gold mask.
There is a gold mask?
Yeah, because you 3D print the red mask, but there's also a gold one that you get at some point. I don't
I
remember
remember that. Okay, yeah. I don't
where
remember
exactly.
how we get it.
Mm-hmm.
Could be in a new spot. I mean, the game changed.
It used to be in one of the bunkers. Oh, bruh.
Did you just kill 2 people? Is that what that is? Is that what these things are? What the hell?
Bruh.
They're just like slugs on the ground now. Oh, I see. Oh. What the fuck? Ooh, that's a big ass act over there.
You want me to see if I can get that moose?
Why not?
There you go. Here it
This is how we hillbilly hunt.
is. Come here, bastard. Oh, he's taking out fast. God damn.
I can't even hear his footsteps anymore. Here, hold on.
Hello?
Really? Okay.
Alright, let's just go get that cave. But first, a pit stop.
Swear to God, dude, it's so dumb. they
Oh,
just they
bruh.
just fall apart.
Yeah. Running into a kid's Lego set. They're like,
it's when you die in the Lego games.
Or like action figures when you've kind of worn them out a little bit and all the joints keep popping off. Or they have all of the ball joints, but you've kind of fucked with them so much that it's really easy to pop an arm or a leg off or something.
I didn't have a lot of action. I had Bionicles growing up.
Yeah. Was that your go-to, or did you have something else?
Yeah. I didn't really do like action figures like that.
Mm-hmm.
We should probably park the go-kart somewhere where it's not directly on ice in case the weather changes. While we're inside.
Put it over here.
It's in the big ass lake.
Yeah. That cave might be another huge cave. I don't know. Actually, it might be the cave that we were just in. We might not want to go in here.
Well,
because there were 2 optional ways to get into the cave.
We'll night vision it up.
Oh, there's roots. It's cool. That's new.
I hear something moving.
There might be some glowy bastards around, I don't know. There's some ammo right here in this little corner.
Boink.
What you're hearing are little bats flying around, by the way.
Oh.
Hello? Quiet. Too quiet.
Green. Too green.
Oh,
Can you
I
just
remember
see the night
this.
vision goggles on me when I'm wearing them?
Yeah. You look kind of like a doofus. I think there are going to be glowy bastards in this area. Because this was the other, this Mbibis known area that
This
there's
one.
ammo up here as well. More 9mm.
Baby's coming up too.
Don't get the desk. If your baby a bitch and it throws itself at me and it hurt it, I'll shoot a crossbow at your baby.
Oh, we got guys in the middle.
Yep, there's a glowy bastard in the distance there. He's hustling. He's coming over to us.
There's 4 guys coming. Oh, they're all just stuck right here if you want a Molotov. What the
hold
fuck?
on.
They come over here.
Can't see anything right now. There we go.
Come on in. And they kind of... Oh, hello.
See if I can get 2 in one here. Molotov. There we go.
Joe.
Bastard. Got me stuck in a corner.
Ow, what the fuck?
I shot one of them in the ass.
Careful.
Oh, bruh. You can bait them into friendly firing, by the way. not that bad of an idea to hang around other enemies while you're being chased.
How did that miss?
Were you trying to do the jump power hit thing?
I mean, it's pretty good.
You
How did that
remember when it
miss?
used to
What?
make them explode in the first game?
No, what? Ow, what the?
Bastard, why is he running around so goddamn much? Right in the ace.
Okay, got one down.
There we go. Here, glowy one is here. Go ahead and help me skin it.
Go.
I gotta blow my fucking nose again.
Damn, they shredded all of my armor. There's one here. Oh wait, these aren't skinnable. It's annoying.
I'm telling you, it used to be that way.
I think it was.
You could skin all of the mutants.
I think you're right.
Because you didn't have to kill the special ones to get the good creepy armor. Some of these things, like the glowing skulls and some of the wood furniture stuff,
You can make
doesn't
their own
look
skulls.
Huh?
Doesn't look what? Sorry.
doesn't look like it exactly belongs down here. Like it's not made by the mutants. Like it's made by the normal cannibal ones or whatever.
They probably the mutants probably pushed out the cannibals at some point.
Oh, they definitely have a feud between each other. For some reason.
Can you get in that crack here?
Oh,
I can see stuff down there.
That's a dead end over there.
Why would this be a dead end? That's weird.
Oh, there's another bastard walking around. We have to get up on this ledge again and then go up and around.
Does it just automatically replace the batteries? Oh, it does. Nice. Okay. Good to know. So, like, you're diving. Really diving? I don't know.
God damn.
God move fucking damn.
It's not how bones work, but alright.
Hmm?
There's just a floating bones there.
I saw floating body parts.
That guy had a grenade on him. I forget those are a thing.
Frag out. Got
That's
him.
illegal. You can't go underground, underwater grenade fishing.
Dynamite fishing is so much fun, though.
Bruh. Is this a confession?
Maybe.
There's a bone monster on our left.
What's that? Hello. Would you like a grenade? I've got more. I will do it. Where you at? One grenade? Just for you, buddy. That did not kill him.
Oh shit.
Hmm.
The rifle is over here.
What?
I actually found the damn thing.
Wait, where is it?
It's hung up on this guy's corpse right here, behind you. It's in his hand.
Oh shit. Oh, it's like a bolt rifle.
Yeah.
That's even better. I thought it was like an assault rifle or some shit. I prefer bolt rifles, so where even is it?
Ouch.
There it is. Alright, fuckers. Your days are numbered. If I can
Remember, you
see
don't
it.
have that much ammo for it. It seems pretty rare. Ouch. Never mind. I just killed both of them. Unless you shot that one.
I did not. That's got a little red dot on it too. That's cool.
Start skinning.
3, 2, 1.
Next.
3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Oh.
That's cool that we found that.
Good to know the rifle's on like the huge, gigantic lake on
Yeah.
the other side of the mountain. It's not even that hard to get to. You just need the diving kit.
Even then, I feel like you could span that with your normal breath. If you know where to go.
No, I don't care about the light. I want to go up the rope.
I turn off the light.
How is my character still... Oh wait, that's right. We didn't actually sleep. I swear. I hope my character just dies of exhaustion at this point. These hallways are so weird.
That would be pretty rank if you would actually just pass out from exhaustion.
Double butt ahead of us.
God damn.
Why do you want
I'm
me
out of
Adam?
Molotovs. Ow. Fuck off. Making weird noises.
I hear that. Sounds like a heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
Is that from this thing?
Yeah. It's gotta be.
3, 2... Oh, shit.
I got it. Just in time. Again,
Watch
it's a
it just
pretty
be a
big
giant-
window.
Watch there be a giant heart in the next room.
I'm still waiting for one of those big slug thingies to actually be moving around.
Instead of just
You only
stuck
see
on a
them
wall.
wedged in the... Oh, except for that one cutscene, I guess.
Person right there. Not person. Thing. 2 things.
Bruh.
Glowing, I think.
No. It just ends to kill them.
Right between the eyes.
Ouch. Bitch ass. POV, you're bringing your grandma for a walk.
He jumped.
I saw that.
Like a little bunny.
Little bunny. This is a weird room.
Yeah.
I wonder if... I wonder if these structures were built here, or they like... Wait a minute. I wonder... Hold on. I was gonna say, I wonder if these structures were built here. That immediately is the first thing I think about. But also, I wonder if these structures were like teleported here or whatever, warped here.
Oh yeah, like a problem
Same-
between the 2 dimensions merging or
Yeah,
some
the
shit.
same thing that I assume what happened is the ship that we found earlier.
Mhm.
There's no way you get a fucking ship under a mountain.
Could
But
be.
also, another thing that I just thought of is maybe the ship is a little bit of a red herring here, or it's a different instance, but the structures that we're seeing here have always been here.
My guess is
and
the structures house that vault. The vault,
Mhm.
the one that we're not going to talk about what's in the vault. And it's probably causing, since, you know, the Puffins are probably messing with it or whatever, whoever's messing with it probably is causing all these other structures to get here, maybe, I don't know. That's my guess.
Another
Definitely,
thing that I thought of is no, that doesn't really make sense either.
definitely the ship got warped too.
Mhm.
Can we find the last piece? That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the area that we were in.
Damn. Big ass cave. I don't know, it looks a little different. Looks like a different big
Maybe.
cave.
We are entering it from a different angle.
Actually might be the same one. Yeah.
Come
it
into
is.
this gold area with me.
I think it is the same one. I'm tired. I'm
Did we
chewing
get
my
an
shit.
optional thing from the other route that we took? Yeah, we did. We got the night vision.
Yeah. That vision's very
Okay.
useful.
Well, you might want to make a timestamp for this and then cut it then. Because we're just going to be running through...
Actually, I'll probably just end the video here, because we're at another hour.
Okay,
We'll just
that
do
works.
that. We'll get out. If we want to keep playing, we'll make another one.
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye, everybody. We'll
What's up?
see you in the next video. Have a what's up, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.